Hello children. In the kinetic theory of gases, we have the topic that is free path or mean free path. We can define free path as the distance between consecutive successive collision. Suppose this is first molecule, second molecule, third molecule, fourth molecule, and this is fifth molecule, and so on. Let a gas molecule collide with this particle and this gas molecule, and the distance between is lambda 1. Then the same gas molecule collide with the second particle and the third particle, and the distance is lambda 2. And the gas molecule collide with the next this particle, distance is lambda 3, and the next distance for the collision is lambda 4, and so on. We can say that for the nth particle distance is lambda n. So now if we have to calculate the mean free path, so we can write here lambda bar, that is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 up to lambda n divided by n. So this is known as mean free path. No need to do the derivation of this topic, only just learn the relation to calculate the mean free path, that is lambda bar, that is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 up to lambda n upon, and that is total number of particles. Next is called Brownian motion. Brownian motion. It is a zigzag path followed by gas molecule in a medium is known as Brownian motion. Suppose the gas molecule is moving in a medium in this path, so this is called zigzag path. Here are some factors which affects Brownian motion. First is called temperature. These are the factors which affect Brownian motion. First is called temperature. With the increase in temperature, Brownian motion increases. Brownian motion increases because we know the relation that kinetic energy directly proportional to the temperature. If temperature is increased, kinetic energy also increased. So therefore we can say that Brownian motion increased. Second is called viscosity. Viscosity of the medium. If viscosity increases, then Brownian motion decreases. If we say that medium is water, and if we say that medium is honey, the Brownian motion is fast in water because the viscosity of the water is less, and the Brownian motion is less in case of honey because the viscosity of the honey is more. Third is called size of suspended particle. Size of suspended particle. If this is the size of the, we can say, medium, and the gas molecule is moving in this, if the size increases or decreases, changes, suppose the size of the medium is like this, it is small in size, or if the size of the medium increases like this, then we can say that in this medium, in the second case, the Brownian motion that will be fast, and in this case the Brownian motion that will be slow. So the Brownian motion depend upon the size of the suspended particle. If the size of the suspended particle is more, then Brownian motion will be less, and if the size of the suspended particle is less, as you can see here, then Brownian motion that will be fast. So Brownian motion is the last topic of the kinetic theory of gases.